Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set Digit to save for a vacation home. If you're dreaming of owning a vacation home, well, Digit can help to turn that dream into a reality. Start by opening the Digit app and creating a new savings goal named Vacation Home. Input your target amount, whether it's for a down payment or for full purchase, and then choose your desired timeline. Digit will automatically analyze your spending habits and income to set aside manageable amounts towards this goal, without of course impacting your everyday expenses. You can increase or decrease savings anytime to stay on track with your plans. Track your saving progress in real time using the app's dashboard, and when you hit your target, Digit lets you easily access your funds to make your vacation home purchase happen. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more practical tips on using Digit to save smarter. And don't forget to like the video and ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. See you guys in the next one.